Okay, in this screencast, what I'd like to do is walk you through how you actually create a student portfolio. A student portfolios can be a website that you make through your Google account, and what you're going to be doing throughout the year is you're going to be adding samples of your work to it, along with reflections, so that way people can see what you've done when it's all said and done when the year's over. So to get started, I have signed in as a sample student, student 989898, and right now I'm just in my Google Drive. I just try to start at a place that might look familiar to you. What's going to happen here is I'm going to click on this little set of boxes, and I'm going to go to Sites. And I just need to switch over here to a new tab so that way you can see it. Okay. And what I want to do then is I just want to simply create a new site. And what I'm going to ask you to do, please, is just use the blank template. Don't do anything special or fancy. Just keep it simple. And we're going to ask you to please name your site your student ID number. You notice that it just filled in down here. This is going to be your web address. This is a very, very important thing. Now, if you are taking a digital arts class or you've already created a website for that class, you do not need to make another assignment if you don't want to, another site rather if you don't want to. You can simply use the existing site that you have. And if that's the case, please let your teacher know. I'll ask that you email your teacher the link for it so that way we can keep everything straight. Okay, so once we've entered in our student ID number to name the site, what we're going to do then is hit Create. And now the site is created. Okay, the next most important thing that we want to take care of is going to be the sharing settings. And so I'm going to go up to the top right-hand corner and click this blue link that says Shared, private only to me right now. And what I'm going to do is change the settings. We're going to select anyone with a link. What this means is it's going to be unlisted. That means people can't Google search and find it. But if you give someone a link, they can see the work that you have. This is the same setting that we did with your Google Drive folder. So that way everything's tied together. That's why it's really important that anything that you make for this class goes in a shared folder. So that way it has the right settings for you. And by default, anyone with a link, people can only view. They can't edit your page. So hit Save. Perfect. So now what I've done here is I've created my website. I've changed my privacy settings. If I go back to this 989898, what I'll see is a blank site itself. And as far as the basic navigation goes, if I want to edit a page, I can just simply edit the page by hitting the pencil. It's like a little word processor comes up. I can type things if I'd like to. I just need to hit Save. The other thing I can do is I can add a new page altogether. So in this case, I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to call it Digital Citizenship. I'm going to put it at the top level for now and hit Create. I've now created a new web page. And the next thing that you're going to be asked to do, at least with this webinar or this screencast, is you're going to be asked to put together your digital citizenship work. So what you'll need to do is then is just go to Insert, from your drive, the drawing that you created, as well as the reflection document. And when you're done, you just hit Save, and everything will be all good. So that is how you create the page and all the things that you need. Good luck, have fun, and please, please, please make sure you title the site correctly and use the correct sharing settings. Thanks for watching.